Hello, this tutorial is going to go over the use of Who's Next. So for Who's Next, there is one login for all SAR staff members, except for the coordinator will have a separate login. This is the instructions for how to use the receptionist login, which is for all the SAR staff members. So you'll put in the credentials, the username and password, and click OK. Next here, these are the different departments that you can sign into. We will be signing into the Student Accessibility Resources department. So this is the our Who's Next. So when a student in person, if we're in person, when a student comes into the office, the student will log in the login station with their student ID number. However, sometimes a student doesn't sign in, or sometimes we're getting phone calls or emails. And then in the virtual setting, of course, it is phone calls and emails. And so the SAR staff member will need to sign the student in to Who's Next. So to do that, you would click Sign In. And then you just type in the student's ID number. Click Sign In. And right now we are not using the text messaging system, so you can click No Thank You. And here now the student is logged into the Student Accessibility Resources lobby. And the biggest reason that we do this is for reporting, to be able to see what the rate of students coming in is, what types of services we are providing for them. So whenever the student leaves the office, or the phone call is over, or after the email exchange has happened, you will right click on the student's name and then click Sign Out. And then here you select what is the service that was provided to the student. We have several different ones: alternative format test request. That is if the student emailed, called, or came in to submit their text request. The diagnostician referral is if the student met with the coordinator or is requesting a referral to the diagnostician. This option would be clicked. Documentation is if the student submitted or brought in documentation. Emails if there were any email exchanges. Equipment check-in or check-out is for our assistive technology that the student might have borrowed. Equipment help if they needed some type of troubleshooting assistance. General inquiries. Instructor support, sometimes we have instructors that will come in or call or email asking a question. Intake appointment, so this is whenever the student meets with the SAR coordinator to do their initial intake appointment. Phone calls, general inquiries, scheduling a test or to schedule an appointment, the day that they actually test, or if they're doing specifically TSI testing, or if they call, email, or come in to update their accommodations. So you would click whichever option or options are appropriate, and then you click Save Visit. And then it saves the student's information, when they logged in, when they logged out, into the system, and then reports can be pulled from there. If a student was added in by accident, or no service was provided to them, you could click Remove. But as the warning says, there would be no record of the student having come in, so very rarely would that option be used. On the left-hand side, you can see a list of names. So here under advising, we see all of the advisors that are currently logged in. The yellow button means they're logged in, but they have a student. The red folder is that they are not currently available. The purple folder is for those that are logged in as a receptionist, as we are. The green folder, the advisor is logged in and they do not have a student in their box. They're not assisting a student currently. We also have at the bottom our success coaches. And so those are the 3 lobbies that we have access to. You can right-click on a student, on an advisor, and say send them an instant message. However, this would be not very often used because currently we use Teams to chat between colleagues. Those are really all of the features that are used for the SAR receptionist login.